Hey there, I'm Win. I'm a designer here in the Brandfolder team. Today I wanted to show you one of my favorite features that we offer, which is the custom cropping and preset size tool. I personally love this because it saves me a lot of time not having to make duplicate images and resizing imagery that I've already created for different applications. So if I create, a visual for a newsletter campaign, my team can take that image, crop it to whatever application they need, be it social or website, and they can do that all on their own, which is really awesome. So in this brand folder, I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to select one of these assets. So this couple right here with the pineapples. And we have a couple of attachments here. I'm only interested in this first one. So I'll go to options. It gives me some basic file type conversion options. And I can change the dimensions with a locked ratio, which is great. But what I really want to do is go to export options. And you'll see that it opens up with this cropping modal already set. So this uses our artificial intelligence engine called Brand Intelligence. So it recognizes the objects or the focus in an image and it crops accordingly. This is currently in free form. So this allows me to scale and crop whoever I see fit. So if I just want to get this woman with the pineapple, I can do that. If I just want a narrow image with both of them, I can do that. That's great. I can also enter custom dimensions. So say 2000 pixels wide by 1500 tall. A little bit smaller, but there we go. But another great thing that it offers is that it has presets for social media. So if you go in, it already has them uploaded for all the major channels. So within Facebook, you can choose for profile image, cover, feed, or event. So I'm going to hit feed. And it already sets to 1200 by 630, which is perfect. And then I can scale accordingly, which is totally awesome. But another great aspect is that you can upload custom presets based on your needs. So like I said, if I'm creating an image for a newsletter, but I want that image to be used for other applications, but I don't want my team coming to me asking me for all these resizing requests, I can determine what those dimensions are and set them here, and then my team can go in and choose them, and it automatically sets based on what it is. So this is 500 by 300. It's ready to go, and I can crop accordingly. So let's say that's perfect. I go to download, and it'll start processing that download, and it's good to go. So again, this saves me a ton of time. My team members love using it. I think it's a fantastic feature. So I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you can get a lot of use out of it. Thanks.